Alright, self-drop tayo. Maybe this is a shitcoin. Not sure, nakita ko lang to sa newsfeed. So, VanCatDog. So, how to claim this. So, already, hindi ko na kayo pahirapan guys. So, nilagyan ko ng instruction if you wanna read it. Pero if you wanna watch this, good. So, 100 billion VanCatDog. Okay, ito yung step by step. So, skip nyo kung may TrustWallet na kayo, yung 1, 2, 3. Kung wala kayo, follow nyo lang instruction. So, you have to download TrustWallet. Create TrustWallet, back it up the word phrase, kasi yun ang private key nyo. So, open your TrustWallet, blah, blah, blah. So, kailangan bumili kayo ng, guys, ng 10 cents US dollar or 15 pesos na, na gas fee. Kung yung airdrop lang ang kukunin nyo, okay? So, yun yung airdrop. May two options dito is to buy. Kung naniniwala ka sa coin, you buy it 0.01 BNB or claim airdrop, okay? I recommend airdrop lang kasi maraming shitcoin sa sa crypto. Kasi baka pag send mo ng buy, walang value. So kung airdrop lang, 15 pesos lang naman ang pinaka-investment mo ang datingan dito. So nilagay ko na dito information. Skip nyo kung meron na kayong TrustWallet, skip nyo kung meron na kayong dito sa number 5. Number 5. 3ABC, nilagay ko dyan information. Skip nyo kung meron na kayong pondo sa TrustWallet nyo. Small amount lang naman. Then, kakopy nyo lang tong guys. Kakopy nyo lang tong link. Alright. Pag copy nyo yung link, tap nyo yan. Open sa browser. Copy. Balik tayo sa information. Copy then paste nyo sa TrustWallet by tapping DApps. Internal browser yan sa loob ng TrustWallet, okay? And yun nga, meron kayong two options. Kung airdrop lang, airdrop. Kung buy, okay? So, let's start. So, pull out ko lang yung aking TrustWallet. So, meron akong 161 dito sa TrustWallet ko. Okay, so gagawin nyo is tap nyo tong DApps sa ilalim, tabi ng wallet icon sa pinakailalim. Then paste nyo yung address. Then enter. Okay. So lalabas tong web page na to, no. So meron ditong two tabs. Doon sa taas, get VanCatDog. Yan yung buy kung bibili kayo ng VanCatDog or claim yung airdrop. Gas fee lang to. Both may gas fee, pero magkaiba yung gas fee niya kasi kung bibili ka, magkaiba siya. So, dito lang tayo sa airdrop sa ilalim. And, kailangan na yung link nyo is may invitation. So, yung link is nasa description din. So let's do airdrop because most of us airdrop lang naman nandito. So, tap nyo airdrop VanCatDog. Make sure nung icon sa pinakataas, kasi nasa Ethereum network ka, tap nyo yung Smart Chain. Kasi yung Trust and Binance, iisa lang yon. Trust is the official wallet of Binance. So, may two option again, get VanCatDog and airdrop VanCatDog. So, if you wanna buy get VanCatDog, so ito yung transaction fee na babayaran nyo. Network fee is 112. Yung 0.01 BNB is 249 pesos. So, total is 361. So, kailangan mo mag-load ng more than 361 in order to get this coin, okay? But, kung airdrop lang naman ang habol nyo, is stop nyo lang yung airdrop. Okay? So, 14 pesos lang. So, let's do this. Airdrop lang. Okay? Then, check natin sa wallet natin kung meron. Ayun na, dumating na si CRISPS. Okay, kung gusto nyo ng 100, ganito, 1, 2, 3, 100 billion, so, ang investment na ilalagay nyo is 361 above, okay? So, yun yung option. So, babalik ka dun sa DApps, then tap mo yung link sa description, then if you wanna buy it, eto siya. So, yun yung pinaka-investment niya. Nakita ko sa inyo paano naman to buy. So, tap again the DApps, then paste yung link, tapos enter. Then make sure na yung icon, yung network na gagamitin yung Smart Chain by tapping the icon sa taas. Yan. Ethereum Smart Chain, Ethereum Classic. Okay, so we need Smart Chain. Then, so we already done the airdrop. So let's buy some. Pakita ko na sa inyo. So, tap nyo yung Get VanCatDog. So, yan yung total. Kanina 360 plus ngayon bumaba siya. Okay, so send natin. Approve. Network fee is 13 pesos lang. 0.01 BNB. 250. Send. Okay, so balik tayo sa wallet kung na-receive na natin. X tap wallet tab. Alright, then tap wallet, then tap receive. Then yung contract address, guys, when you search it sa VanCatDog website, wala yan dyan, di ba? So you need to basically search it sa BSC scan or Binance Smart Chain scan or blockchain. So nandito na yan. So copy nyo yun. And balik kayo dito again sa wallet, then tap receive, then paste nyo yung CA or yung contract address, then add, at yon. So the thing is, if you referred someone, that mas dadami yung inyong VanCatDog compared to dun sa isang wallet ko. So typically ganito siya. Okay, I hope you find this video valuable. I'll see you guys around. Thanks.